We are in the lovely city of Chicago, Illinois, and we are producing Morton Salt's quarterly town hall meeting.
So with the help of Endless, we've been really able to up our game when it comes to advancing our town hall meetings. We've now been able to incorporate more technology and interactive elements than before, and our employees are really loving it.
We as a brand started moving in a direction where we wanted to inspire employees. So we had that ambition, and it paralleled with bringing Endless on as a partner to where we're now really unlocking our potential of how we can have our employees really engaged and inspired by everything that we do at town hall meetings.
You want to create this engaging experience that gets people excited because the energy that happens within that quarter only lasts a certain amount of time, right? So utilizing amazing technology and working with a team who can help design your meeting to really give your content some flair, I think is incredibly important, because otherwise your employees are going to be falling asleep and your quarterly meetings to be forgettable.
Our town hall meetings are not only held in person for our corporate staff, but we also webcast live out to the field at all of our remote locations, basically over 20 plus locations.
Morton Salt went to live stream because they have a lot of employees around the world, Canada, Germany, also in South America, and all across the United States.
Nowadays, when people hear live stream, they might think, Facebook on your phone or Periscope or something like that. That's not like this in any sort of way. This is all using high definition cameras, high definition encoders, a lot of really advanced technologies to bring a really high quality stream to every single person that tunes in.
Another new thing at our Morton Town Hall this year is Catchbox. It's a way for our employees to get engaged and ask questions and kind of pass this thing around during the meeting, have a little fun with it.
The production value was well above and beyond what your typical in-house or even some of the hotel venue AV companies can provide.
So we would totally recommend Endless to any company that are looking to upgrade their town halls or any kind of corporate meetings that they're having. They put on a really good show, and they do their best to really get all the people involved. So 100% go out and use Endless.
It has been a really seamless process working with Endless. They've been such a great partner to help us elevate our game when it comes to town hall meetings, and we're excited to see what is in store for us in the future.